The time has come to price out our Mega Live. So I have pages of all the products we're bringing, and I'm going to put them in like little subcategories. So I have that, and I also collected highlighters. So let's do this. Now I'm understanding people around here love spreadsheets, and I just get confused. I feel like I say like too much. All right, I'm going to try not to for the next 2 minutes. This is the part that I feel is the most pressure filled, because you want to make sure that it's very successful, but we're also able to utilize the coupons. The more we can shop, the better, because if people are able to shop in actual batches, it will help a lot with packing. So we're not getting a ton of boxes. It also helps my packing team. So it's considering all of that. In addition, we also like to be a little zany and a little cuckoo. So which ones are we going to be a little zany, little cuckoo on? There's all of these things that I have to consider. Plus the fact that we are doing these scoops for $200 purchases. So something we want to do right away with the bundles. That way, we can be doing scoops right away, because those will run out. So much to think about. I'm also looking around at my desk, and it's such a mess. I can't wait for April, just in the fact that I feel like we're going to... Shoot! I said like again! I'm really looking forward to April, because I feel as if... I feel as if then we have a little bit more time to do some spring cleaning. I want to do a little office revamp. We've been really digging into that blue era, so I would enjoy if it reflected that. I'm going to focus, and I will report back. I will show a little rainbow of highlighter color when I've gotten it done. Proof of progress. We have gotten some yellow ones ready. Now moving on to pink. Pink is like the one that we are going to probably be looking most forward to. We are going to revisit this, because I think I'm going to actually switch over to our this or that. Are you seeing my brain smoke yet? What happened to this one? Look at it. So funny. Hi, Merhi. Are you so proud of me?
I'm so proud. Spreadsheets and color coding.
Oh my God.
So proud.
That's right.